Peace be upon you. Hello viewers. Sometimes if we use ArcGIS desktop, sometimes we faced some problem like ArcGIS desktop has encountered serious application error and unable to continue. Then we don't know how to solve this problem, and if you want to solve this problem, then you have to follow two solutions. One, if you have to try first one, then if it is not solved, then you can go for solution 2. So let's start. First of all, we are doing this for Windows 10. So for this we have to select on this icon, this PC. Then for Windows 10 we have to select on this option here, view. Let's click. Then we have to select here hidden files. You have to select it and click. Then you can see the hidden files. We have to click now local disk, C drive. Then you have to click user, and then you have to select your user account name. You have to select on your user account name. If you don't know your user account name, then you have to find out your user account name. To find your user account name, you have to go to the search option of your desktop. Then in the search option, you have to write control panel. Control panel, and then you have to select on control panel. After clicking, you have to find out the user accounts. Here let's find out the user account. This is the user account. Let's click here, and then here my user account name is Shahid Shumon, and here you can find your desktop or PC name, and then you have to proceed for the next option, and let's click on Shahid here, and then you have to select the app data, and clicking on the app data, we will proceed for further options. Then roaming, then you have to click on esri, and then ArcGIS desktop. Then you have to rename your ArcMap. Then you have to click on the rename option, and then insert a dot, then old, and then you have to press enter. If you press your enter, then your solution 1 is done. But I am not pressing enter because this solution 1 is not working for me. Solution 2 is suitable for me. For this I am not pressing here enter. If you can try this solution 1 for your first trial, then you can, if your PC is not working, then you can go for solution 2. For solution 2 you have to do very simple work. Then your PC will work 100% sure. I am showing you the second solution now. For second solution, you have to click on the right option on your mouse, then click on manage. This is I'm showing for Windows 10, and sometimes it takes a few seconds to open the options. You have to wait. Then you have to click on here. Here you can click local users and groups. After you have to click here, then you have to select on user, then click on right button of your on your mouse. then you can see here new user. You have to create a new user account. Here you can insert username, full name, description, and password. You have to insert your password 2 times. Then here a option create will be shown to you and open to you. Then you can press here, click, then a new user account will be created for you. And if you create a new user account, then your ArcGIS desktop error or problem will be solved 100% sure. And I am using ArcGIS desktop through this way. And you can if you created a new account, then you can see like this. I am created here a new user account named SM Shahidur Rahman. This is my second user account, and I am using ArcGIS desktop through this way, and there's no problem I am facing now. So guys, hope this video will be helpful to you, and we will meet in another video. Till then, lead happy life and be thankful to God. So goodbye now. Bye bye.